Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time to my channel. I'm Mufidah, and I'd like it if you click down below to subscribe to my channel. So I'm really feeling myself today because I love this look I created with my new Morphe palette. I am super excited. I know I'm probably the last person on YouTube to get this palette, but I really love it. So today, something different. I collaborated with my friend Goldie, and I'm gonna link her channel down below, so you can also click after you watch my video and you watch her video as well, and be sure to hit the subscribe button on her channel as well. I hope you all enjoy the tutorial. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. So here I am again with my bold brows and no makeup face. I was just drinking some water. I've recently been doing this water therapy thing, and it makes me feel amazing, but I just pee too much. I'm just priming my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. I like to pat it into my skin before I go into color correct with the BH Cosmetics color wheel. This color corrector doesn't really do much for my skin, but I'm really happy that I'm clearing the hyperpigmentation around my mouth. I'm really happy about that. If you want to know what I do, please comment down below and I will let you know how I clear up those discolorations. I'm just gonna go straight into the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm gonna buff that into my skin with the beauty blender. I always use a damp beauty blender, guys, and it makes your foundation apply very easily. Also, I'm gonna go in with the LA Pro concealer in the shade Warm Honey, because honeys, the raccoon eyes are not leaving me alone. It's serious. And I'm just gonna top it off with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm also gonna buff it into my skin with the Big Mama beauty blender. Honeys, I don't know who has tried the water therapy, but I've been seeing really good things online, and it's all about drinking lots of water, but not at once. You drink it like bit by bit by bit. I've been doing it for like 2 days and I feel really good. My skin feels very hydrated. I don't know if that's the only thing I'm supposed to feel or I'm supposed to see anything else, but also I really pee a lot. So I'm just contouring with the BH Cosmetics color wheel. You guys know about my 5-head situation. We have to contour that and also get the snatched nose. So I'm just gonna buff out my contour with the beauty blender, and I'm also gonna go in with the butt of the beauty blender to kind of blend everything together. We don't want any harsh lines. We want our face to look seamless and flawless, guys. So I'm gonna set my highlights with the Sasha Buttercup powder. You guys, I think I'm addicted to this powder. I can't put it down. I'm always using it. And I'm setting around my mouth and my nose, and I'm also gonna set my contour with the CoverGirl bronzer in the shade Ebony. The nose contour was too high, so I'm just buffing it out with a beauty blender. I'm going in with the Morphe 339A palette. I'm gonna go in with that shade as my transition color, and yeah, I forgot to like use some setting powder to prevent the fallout from messing up my face. So I'm just going in with the transition color I showed you guys earlier. This palette is really pretty. I really like it, and I'm just gonna go in with a darker brown shade. I'm just gonna put that over into my crease to darken it some more. I'm going into this really dark chocolate color. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. I'm just pressing it in to kind of give the smoky effect, and I'm also gonna go into my transition color to kind of like lighting my crease because it became too dark and I was beginning to look like a raccoon. So I'm just going in with some mascara and some black eyeliner. I already did my lashes off camera. So I'm just gonna smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm just using those dark brown colors I used earlier, and I'm also putting some mascara on my lower lashes. I'm just gonna go into that shade right there and put that on my brow bone, and I'm also gonna set the rest of my face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark. Also, I'm just gonna, cut my contour because I actually forgot to do that. I was supposed to do that before setting my entire face, but no harm done, guys, no harm. So I went back into the eyeshadow palette because I wanted to intensify my contour and have this bronzy look. So I'm just going all over my face with that, and I'm also taking off the excess powder from underneath my eyes and where I cut my contour. You guys know the drill. I am setting my face, and I'm gonna push that setting spray into my face with the beauty blender. So I'm gonna highlight with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm just gonna go over my cheekbones and my brow bone and my chin and my nose, the drill. I'm gonna top off my highlighter with this loose pigment from Colorbox Cosmetics. It's called the High Maintenance highlighter, I believe, and I really like it. It's really pretty, and this is just like a sample size. I'm gonna go in for the big one, and I'm also lining my lips with the Colourpop liquid lipstick in the shade Embellish. I'm gonna top it off with the NYX lip cream in the shade Cape Town. I'm just gonna buff that in with a brush to have that flawless nude lip look. I'm also gonna highlight my Cupid's bow. You guys know how much I love doing this. I'm setting my face one last time, and you guys, I'm gonna do like a flashback test very soon, so you see that this is like flashback proof. I hope you guys like this look, and please tag me on Instagram if you happen to do this look, and also let me know down below if you try this flashback proof routine of mine, and if you want to see how I do this, please go to my previous post. I show you into detail how I do my foundation and I avoid flashback. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.